this video, we will show you how to change the battery on your Ford Fusion. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. The battery is located to the right of the engine compartment. To remove the battery, you have to unscrew the battery clamp. Using a ratchet, an extender, and an 8mm socket, fully unscrew the holding bolt of the battery clamp. You can now remove the battery clamp. You can now shift the battery. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal, since the whole car is connected to the negative terminal. This can create sparks that are dangerous to your car's electrical system. Using a 10mm wrench, start by removing the negative terminal from the battery. Once the terminal has been removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Remove the rubber protection from the positive terminal. Repeat the operation on the positive terminal. Remove the battery. Clean the location with a vacuum. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. You can order the battery used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connections, but also to limit oxidation development. Take the new battery. Put the new battery in place. Then push it firmly against the airbox. Start by putting the positive terminal back in place. Fix it in place with a 10mm wrench. Put the rubber protection back on. Then put the negative terminal back on. Insert it fully before fixing it in place with the wrench. Put the battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Put the battery clamp back in place, then finish off the tightening with the ratchet. Operation complete.